Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to be doing a book review. The book that I've chosen is Building a Second Brain by Tiago Forte. So this book was published long back in 2022, and before getting into the book review, I would like to give a brief introduction about this book in my own words. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So as I had mentioned before getting into the book review, I'll give a brief outline about this book in my own words. So talking about this book is primarily focusing on digital era. It's like how to organize informative and non-informative informations. It's like currently we are in an era where we gain so many information, like so many current affairs. We are knowing lot about what's happening around the world and everything through social media and all of that. So while you gain all these information, at times we might forget the important ones and we might remember the unimportant data. So in order to organize the brain properly, this book is actually a clear guide. So to talk about the current era, like if you talk to people who are very professional, who had born long back before even this digital era flourished, what they would say is like we are like really lucky, because while they were doing their studies, they found everything difficult. It's like they have to go to library, they want to they have to look for materials available, and if they don't get proper access to material, they have to mail or they have to send letter so that they can get access of it. So things were very difficult, but right now it's easily accessible, like our gadgets itself is enough. So they say that we are lucky, but the case is, although it's like there is so many advantages, there is even disadvantages, like we are finding difficulty in organizing data. So to talk about this book, Tiago Forte has integrated several concepts. I'm not going to be spoiling the book. I'll try to highlight the important ones. Code is one of the key concepts that he is dealing in this book. Code, C stands for like capturing. So you're capturing the information. Then O stands for organize. You're organizing it. Then distill. It's distill in which where you are highlighting the important information that is way more important than the rest. Then expressing. Express is nothing but you're applying in real life. So he had talked about several other concepts as well. And what he's trying to say is like brain is meant for thinking and gaining and highlighting important information. It's not a place where we dump everything and make it unorganized. So he's trying to make the readers aware about how the brain works and how to organize in this particular book. So what I got reminded while reading this book is few of my friends, what they used to do is if they have exams like within 1 month or 2 months and all, they used to uninstall certain apps for that time period. The one thing that everyone are aware is distraction. Like during the study, we get distracted by social media. And another thing what they say is if they continuously watch social media and the current updates and all of that, in examination hall they might get reminded of the trending songs, and that will be a major distraction. So in this particular book, the author is trying to say that digital era has its advantage, but still it's like amount of data that we gain daily is a lot than our human caliber. So trying to understand the pattern and giving importance to data is very necessary. So that's all for today. For more updates, stay tuned to my channel by clicking over the subscribe button. Thank you.